Hello. What if I tell you, as a crypto trader or even a beginner, there is a strategy you can use and you would make as much as $20 every hour? Yes, I know that got you. In this video, I want to show you exactly how I make $20 every hour trading cryptocurrency. I promise not to bore you, so you would want to watch this video to the end so you can learn exactly what I'm talking about. Onoja Nathaniel is my name, and on this channel, I teach you how to make money, especially through cryptocurrencies and various ways you can make money online, right? So you would want to subscribe to my channel, smack the subscription button, and also turn on the notification bell so you can get notified as soon as I come up here to drop good videos that will profit you like this. Without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into trading view so I can show us exactly what I'm talking about, right? Yeah, on the trading view application, you can see this is BTC USDT. Okay, say you want to trade Bitcoin. There are a few things to do when you want to make your analysis for this trade. First of all, you would identify your support and resistance level, which is very crucial, and that will take us to the 4 hours or the 1 day time frame. Okay, I always advise that you use a higher time frame when you want to get a good support and resistance level. Okay, so I'm just going to make one here. Okay, then this is just to give you an insight. We have another one here for the Bitcoin. Well, this is not well, calibrated, so I am just giving a rough analysis so that you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so there's a resistance level here, and so those are the various support and resistance level. Now that we have identified the support and resistance level, you would want to go to the 1 hour or even 30 minutes, okay, depending on how swift you want your trade to be. You can see that the various support and resistance level are identified at this point. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go to the trend lines, and then you're going to select the regression tool here, and it will help you get exactly what the price movement is for a period of time. Now, as you can see, I just marked this trend, and from this high to this low, I'm also going to mark that, okay, using this tool. There was a pump from this point up to the 31. Okay, let's use this place. Yeah, that is it. So we also have a fall from here, okay, from this point, which is support level, to this point, right? Let me explain how to take advantage of this analysis. Okay, very quickly you can see how the price has been moving from the red to the blue area. Okay, when it gets to this point, there is always a retracement back to the red marked zone. Then it goes back into green, comes back into the red, into the blue and the red, the blue, before it eventually breaks out and there is a dump. Same thing happened here. Okay, after this high, there was a fall back down to retest the lower line. It also went back and came down. This scalping will help you take advantage of the trend, and you're going to be buying and selling, doing the shorts and the long as soon as it hits each of the support and resistance level. What the regression to help you do is identify this trend, and once you can identify the trend, you can easily walk in line with the trend. Now let's say I want to trade Bitcoin at this point. Okay, let me zoom this in. Let's say I want to trade Bitcoin right now. This is 1 hour time frame, don't forget. We just tested this, and there is every possibility to come back, continue this trend as long as we didn't break out of the upper line. Now you would go to the same line, trend line, and you're going to select the parallel channel. Yeah, this parallel channel will also help you continue this trend. So I'm just going to do this. Okay, you can see that right now the swing trade that I'm going to make would be selling from this point, wanting to touch this zone. Now this is a very simple way to get the shots. All right, So what I'm doing at this point is to get a short. Don't forget, you can always confirm your entry by using a lower time frame like the 30 minutes or even the 15 minutes. Let's check out the 15 minutes and see if there is a proper retracement. Okay, you can see that the retracement is happening, and this candlestick is almost breaking out of the previous green, okay, which tells we have tested this resistance line for the trend, and the price is about to fall back down. So let's go to 1 hour, and so on the 1 hour time frame here, you can see clearly that we are about to come back to this trend, trend support level. Until it breaks out of any of the trend lines, we can continue to scalp again and again and again. Okay, from this point, when it tested and it's gradually started going above the line, it is an indication that we would go up. Because this is a bearish trend, okay, it is always making a lower low. The price makes a lower low, and that is why this channel is descending. Best thing you can do at this point is you wait for the price to go within the blue region, which is this trend line. Okay, then you short. It is going to make a lower low. You can see what happens here. It went back into the blue region as well, and we had a lower low. Now currently we have tested that trend line as well, and it is coming back to make another lower low. All right, so this is one way you can take advantage of this. You can use this as many times as you want, because it can happen again and again and again. So with this, if you are trading with say $500 or even $1,000, you can make more than $50 or $100 every day. This is 1 hour scalping, and it can happen as fast as you can imagine it. All right, so with the same illustration, you can see what happened here. This time around, it was a bullish uptrend. Okay, this is a bullish trend, which means the price was gradually going up. Okay, so what you do at this point is you would want to wait for the price to get to the red, and then you are going to buy. When you buy, it will eventually retest the blue line, which is the resistance trend up. Okay, when it falls back down to the lower low, you can also buy. Right here, it even made a double bottom, which is an awesome indication. Okay, we went back, tested, and as these swings are happening, you are making money. Well, trading is always not stable because of price fluctuations, the ups and downs, and most times traders who make money from this swing make much more than those who would want to wait for a great pump or a massive dump before you make something out of trading. Okay, swing trading will help you scalp as much as you can many times in a day. All right, so with this, you are making sure that you buy when the price is within this red, and you sell when it goes up, and make sure you are always scalping again and again and again. You can make money from that. Don't forget, the first thing you need to do is go to the trend lines, and you select the regression trend. Okay, it will help you mark the trend as soon as you select the area. Okay, let's go to Ethereum. Let me show us as well. Okay, this is Ethereum 30 minutes, so we're going to change it to 4 hours, because I told us I prefer using the 4 hours for my analysis. Okay, now this is the 4 hours. Sorry, let me make this a bit bold. And like we did earlier, we're going to identify the various support and resistance level. Okay, I know there is a region here, so I'm not going to waste my time trying to make it perfect. Okay, you can do that when you start making your own analysis. Okay, I know this is a good one. Okay, this here also, I can say we have something happening within this point, so I'm just going to mark here as well. All right, here is also nice to take note of. You can take note of these points as well. Okay, now now that we've done this, okay, go to the regression tool or the regression trend. Okay, and I'm going to mark this trend. I can see from this support to the resistance. I can also mark another from this support to this resistance. Okay, why is that so slim? Let's go from here. can also say from this point to this resistance, it's going to highlight the whole area and tell me what the market movement has been. Also from this point, fell all the way back here, and this is what it looks like. I still have one here from this point all the way up here. Okay, so what I'm trying to do basically is to highlight the price action or the movement from one resistance to a support, or from one support to another resistance, like that. Okay, and it will automatically map this area for you and show you exactly what the price is doing. So currently we are here, okay, from this point, and we are here now. This is for Ethereum, don't forget. I have marked out these various areas, and I'll just go to 1 hour time frame. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, it will give a clearer picture of my entry or my exit point. Okay, we haven't really tested this, but like I said, whenever we are in the red zone, okay, it is a point to buy, and from here, with your analysis, it will help tell when next we will be going up. So you use the parallel channel. Okay, from here, let's continue the trend into our support level. Okay, so I mark this point and I bring it down to match this particular point. Yeah, so this is what I am expecting. Even though I am not so positive about the breakdown from this support level, I should actually get some movement within this region back to the support level. So what I want to do right now is wait for the price to fall back within this point, and I'm going to buy here, because you can see what happened here. It went back to touch the upper trend line, coming back, and I want it to properly balance on this. Okay, we went up a bit, and it seems like the price is not really going above that. You can see there's a long shadow, okay, which is bouncing the price back, and hopefully we would come back to test this line. And when it does, okay, what you would want to do is wait and take your buy entry here. We would go back to test this upper line, like that. You are taking advantage of the price movement, and this way you are making money from the fluctuations and the gradual movements that happens in the markets. Remember, this is a descending channel. Okay, so you want to buy at a lower low. Whenever the price goes up, like you see here, okay, in a descending channel, it is an opportunity for you to sell. And in an ascending channel like this one that goes up, whenever the price comes down, it is an opportunity for you to buy, because it is going to be making a higher high, while a descending channel will make a lower low. So what I'm expecting here right now is a lower low back to this support level. Okay, this is a very profiting strategy that would help you make money through cryptocurrency. Like I said, I have used this again and again and again. This strategy would help increase your profits and better your trading game. So you want to pay attention to this and make the best out of it. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like I said, and turn on the notification bell. If this video was helpful, which I believe it is, okay, you can give it a thumbs up. Drop in the comment section if there is any cryptocurrency you want us to help you analyze. I'll do my best to see to it as soon as possible. Thank you, and thank you for watching.